input and output transmission speed sensors are identical. The first one is located right here, and the other one is located right back here. We're going to go ahead and replace the rear sensor. The process to remove and replace are identical. We would normally remove the connector before undoing the component. In this case here, the connector is stuck. It's going to be easier for us to go ahead and remove this 8mm bolt. We're going to pull the sensor and then we'll disconnect it once it's been removed from the transmission. I'm going to use a small but long flathead screwdriver and just get under the ear. I'm going to use some prying assistance from the screwdriver while we're trying to work this out. I'm going to rotate the sensor and just get underneath the ear. Gently just work that out. And you go ahead and pull that sensor out. So we have the sensor loose, we have the connector right here, and it's just a pinch tab. You just pinch that and grab that sensor and wiggle that right off. This component does have an O-ring, so we're going to put a light coat of oil on that O-ring to help that slide into place. And we're going to go ahead and get that sensor up in a position. Line that up and push that into the transmission. I'm going to rotate it so that ear lines up with the bolt hole and just press that into place. Now, because of the age of the vehicle, I did put some anti-seize compound on the bolt in case this ever needs to come out again. We'll go ahead and get this bolt started. Thread it down as far as you can. And then we'll go ahead and snug that down into place. As you tighten the bolt, it'll pull the sensor into the transmission. And we're just going to go ahead and snug this down as this has a metal sleeve insert. All right, with that bolt snug down in a position, we're going to take the connector, bring that around, get that lined up, and just pop that on. And you hear that click, you're all done.